So how do we actually add our Bluetooth speakers here, as you can see, to our Xbox? Well, to be able to add it to our Xbox, we need to add it to our TV instead of directly in the Xbox Bluetooth settings, because Xbox will not recognize it. But if you connect it to your TV and the TV is connected to your Xbox, it's going to then automatically recognize it as a sound source. So firstly, what I'm going to do is to put them into pairing mode by clicking on the power button here, as you can see, until I can hear a sound from it. Perfect. So now it's in pairing mode, and then when it is, I'm just gonna go into settings here on my TV and click on all settings, then scroll down and click on remotes and accessories, and then click on pair accessory and then click on OK. And then we're just gonna wait for it to search here. As you can see, it says searching for accessories, which is great. This is a great sign, by the way. So just wait for it to finish this searching process, and we're going to then connect the speakers to our TV instead. So you can see it has now found it, so I'm just gonna click on it here and let it connect, and then click on pair. And now they should be paired. And once they're paired here to your TV, you can now go back into Xbox and you will see that the sound will come from the Bluetooth speakers instead. And basically that is exactly how to connect it.